Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to add students on Teachable. To add students on your Teachable account, go ahead and open up a web browser. Type in teachable.com in the URL box and log into your account. After you are inside the main homepage of Teachable, go ahead and select your school or your course from the main homepage. After opening up your school or your course, you will be taken to this page. Click on the Users button on the left-hand side menu and click the Add Students button at the top right corner. Now you can simply go ahead and add students manually or import the CSV or import the bulk users. In order to import bulk users or CSV, you will need to upgrade your plan by clicking Upgrade Plan and following the prompts. To manually add students, tap on Manually and enter the name of the student, their email address, and the password. Password is optional, so you can also skip this. To add more students, click on the Add Other button, add many students as you like, and finally, click on this Enroll these students into your product. Select your courses, confirm the user have consented to receiving emails from the school by checking the next box. Select how did your students pay you for accessing your product and click on Import. Soon after you do that, you will be able to import students or add students. After they accept your invitation, you will be able to see the list on this page. So that is how you easily add students on your Teachable Accounts courses. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.